Gimme more free information, come on friend, let's be honest again. Welcome to a new episode from Ugly Truth Man Talks YouTube channel. Today's talk is about information overwhelmed and illiterate future. Overwhelmed means bury or drown beneath a huge mass of something, especially water, in our case, overwhelmed in information. Stuttering when you don't know something, or when you lie of being smart. In high school at the physics class at a test, I wrote on my desk with a pencil 3 formulas, and I solved a problem, but I understand how a formula can be used, how it works. My other colleagues did know the theorems and principles but don't know how to apply them. Some combinations using information and some anything else, you will find in the end of this episode. Here are some helpful tips on how to use information wisely. Information makes anyone stronger and have more self-esteem, having faith in what you know. We are overwhelmed with information, like 1 ton weight is pressing us to solve the daily problems. 1 moment breath, 1 information, 1 breath, 1 new info. We must decide the amount of information we digest every day. Information and music creates lyrics. Information and work builds success and ideas. Information and love is helping people. Information and facts means changes. Information and understanding means simple lifestyle. Information and beliefs means leading examples. Another example from my life, at math hour, the teacher explained us Pythagoras' theorem and in the same hour, after 30 minutes we receive a test to verify us who understand it or not. Information is expressing, transmitting, and exchange emotions using texts, senses or visual, audio, or using verbal discussions. The new people that are coming in the workforce, future families, and future customers are harder to convince because they don't listen to older people or don't understand simple facts of life, and on the other side, in some areas they are smarter, cannot be fooled. The word illiterate means unable to read or write, unable to think and understand a text, unable to combine information in order to get a result. Welcome to the future. Today the information is available and easy to find, means that the less motivation to learn someone has, they become stupid humans day by day. The number of illiterate people is growing also in developed countries, and combine this fact with the shortage of jobs, less working places, people are heading to poverty, misery, and bigger problems. I'm just watching the new Generation Z in the work field. I'm not saying we the Generation Y were better, but we learned more and had more knowledge in different fields of life. The expensive phone you have doesn't mean you are a better worker than I was when I had your age. You've wasted your youth on social media, and now you cry because you are less informed or educated. You cannot turn back time to be smarter today. For different reasons the number of human population who doesn't know to read or write is growing. In these coronavirus times the schools are closed, self-discipline and self-motivation for learning doesn't exist, growing lazy every day. And on the other side the battle for success in life is getting harder, because other people want the same things as you, but they work more, learn more, struggle and hustle more, they love more, they fight more and have more motivation, faith, and power. We are overwhelmed with information, like 1 ton weight is pressing us to solve the daily problems. 1 moment breath, 1 information, 1 breath, 1 new info. The information is doubling in volume, and thoughts, experiences, and numbers. The total amount of information about everything is growing everywhere. The same problems we have, other people had before us. Same economic or life crises in general have the same facts and key points. In Bible book of Ecclesiastes is written, what has been will be again, what has been done will be done again, there is nothing new under the sun. Today, one of the secrets is in our daily actions. We must decide the amount of information we digest every day, the quality and how much time we spend in front of a screen, mobile screen, what is important, what is meaningful, what help us or not in our life. One success definition is one way to achieve something. Success is the combination of knowledge and information someone have with the opportunity of making the money in a certain moment of life. If you don't connect the dots of what you know, with people, places and money, connect attitude with presence facts, connecting personal growing with helping others, creating, building, discovering, taking conclusions, changing lives. In the Bible book of Corinthians is written, I have the right to do anything, You say but not everything is beneficial. I have the right to do anything but not everything is constructive. No one should seek their own good, but the good of others. Let's be honest, how often in a week you think and analyze your daily actions? Take a moment on thinking, meditating at small routines. What can you improve? How much information you remember from yesterday, how you spend your time, money, and emotions? What matters? How you do things and what results you expect, and what you get. We must learn to choose what information we need. Is it useful or just time waste? We search the truth about something from different sources, or we want and search confirmation for our thoughts even if we think wrong. Who we listen to, who are our examples of success people, whom we talk to, who we watch in the same field we want to work, how we want to be and what kind of life we want. Many times we don't have patience to read an entire page, article, or boring book. Using Pareto's rule, maybe 80% of information is concentrated in 20% of books. From all the amount of books, 80% are time wasters. People read stories, bestseller colorful pages, sweet words that inspire your inner emotions, but there is no growth. You cannot make success, money, or health if you read stupid books. In different stages of our life, in the deadlines of delivering a text or taking a conclusion or decision, we are overwhelmed with information, like 1 ton weight is pressing us to solve the daily problems. Some say you must be very good at only one thing, said my accountant friend. With all his knowledge he is not wealthy, he makes other people rich. This is ugly truth. Or in the worst case, if his experience is no longer needed, he can become jobless. Others say, adapt to any conditions, learn every day. Some days are good, some are struggle, go on, move forward. Others say, enjoy the moment, don't think at the future, spend everything now, and now they are in debt, incapacity to pay the loan. Some say prepare for worse, live a modest life, invest and give, and for believers the rewards are in afterlife. Yes, I do believe. The debate is between information and actions, laziness if someone else is paying your bills, or try to figure it out in life. You fall down, shake off the dust of your feet, and move on. In Bible there is a truth verse about knowledge, because in much wisdom there is much grief, and increasing knowledge results in increasing pain. God bless you with good quality information so you can achieve your plans. Information plus life experiences means school of life. If you do nothing, you are nothing. Information overwhelmed episode Ugly Truth Man Talks YouTube channel.